This is the unboxing video for the Zarifa Z Smart Foot Massager Plus. This foot, calf, and leg massager is an FDA-approved medical device. This means that it's eligible for most FSA and HSA programs. It comes in cherry red and coffee brown. It's 18.5 by 23 by 19 inches. The foot massager is packed well for shipping. It comes bagged in a durable cardboard box and is completely surrounded by styrofoam to provide protection to the unit. In the box you'll find the product manual and information on how to register your warranty on the Zarifa USA website. Once plugged into the appropriate 120 volt AC outlet, you can power up the foot massager. There are wheels on the bottom side of the unit to help it move easier. Once in place, there's also a kickstand on the front that helps stabilize it and increase the angle. On the back of the unit, now turn the switch to the on position. A combination of massage rollers and airbags are used to massage your feet and calves. With this easy-to-use touch interface, you can control targeting, heating, and intensity with convenient massage programs. To learn more or purchase, go to zarifausa.com or follow the link in the description.